Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening our Birchbox for December 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber. So if at any point during filming, I don't know if something is cruelty-free, I will do the research. I will put that on the screen right here for you, as well as the estimated sample size value. So do all the math, all that stuff, and find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. So if that sounds good to you, we're gonna get started right now. So tell me, while I try to open this, because this box is literally the worst box to open. Do you guys like this box? I'm like thinking about canceling it. Because I think it renews in either January or February, because I do like 3 months at a time. And I think I'm going to cancel. But let me know if you guys like me still opening this box. I know not very many people watch my channel, like me, whatever. But if you are watching this and you think I should cancel, please let me know. But if you like this and you want me to keep unboxing it, also please let me know. Okay, so once you get it out of that box, it's going to look just like this. You can't even read it, but it says Birchbox right there. Okay, so when we open it up, it's going to have a card with the theme, which is casual is beautiful. Okay, I won't argue with that. I don't know what that means, but casual is beautiful. This is about the first thing I'm seeing. This is from Verb. This is the Ghost Hair Mask. This brand is cruelty-free. I have a oil from them, a hair oil that I really like. I use it on like frizzies and flyaways, and it smells really clean and nice. Let me go ahead and see what this smells like. Okay, so it smells just like the hair oil. It just smells clean, and it's a hair mask. I use a hair mask about every other week generally, so I definitely will use that. This can probably do about 1 round on my hair. But excited to get that. And the full size is 18 bucks, so I don't think that's too overpriced for a hair mask personally. Depending on how big it is, I would probably pay that. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull this next thing. This is from Incredible, or Nails Inc. Sorry, this is from Nails Inc., which I don't think I've ever tried anything from. This is the Be Your Incredible Self nail polish. And this is the shade Fear of Missing Out. It is a red one. I just got a red, well, it's more pink, but a nail polish in, what was that, BoxyCharm? The finish on this is, what is that, like a metallic finish? That is not something I really love. I love like a cream finish, personally. I think that's what it's called. I don't like a metallic finish, so I'm probably not going to use this. It's just, I don't know why. It's just not something I like. This looks like full size though. And the value is $11. If it is full size, I don't know, but it just looks like a full size nail polish, but there's that. Okay, the next thing I have is from Lieswater? This is Magnifix. I think it's a, what's that called? I just had a brain fart. A setting spray. It doesn't say anything about whether it's cruelty-free or not, but it's a setting spray with white tea. It's just a setting spray. Alcohol-free, so that's what you need. Hopefully it's cruelty-free. I will give it a try. I'm not real super picky about setting sprays, personally. The packaging is kind of cool. It's like iridescent. Can you see that? That's pretty neat. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. This is from Botanique Beauty, which I have tried. I think I have a hand sanitizer on my vanity from them. I'm pretty sure they're cruelty-free. This is a soothing hand cream in Velvet Rosebud. So I am not going to use this. I do not like the scent of rose. It's just not a thing I'm a fan of. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and pass that on to somebody else. It is sealed right there on the bottom. Packaging is really pretty. And the full size is $9. Not too bad. Okay, and we have one last item here. So only 5 items this month. This is from Hola Neon, which is cruelty-free. I think this is a lipstick, and the shade is Love Me. Let me show you the outer packaging real quick. Really cute. I do have a lipstick from this brand, but I don't quite. Actually, I think it's sitting right there on my vanity. Oh, the shade I have is called Call Me. But I was like, I'm pretty sure I have a lipstick from this brand. Let's see what Love Me looks like. I feel like it's going to be a red for Christmas. Wow, I should make my own beauty box. Wow, guys, it's a red for Christmas. Seems kind of predictable. I don't know if this is full size. Let me compare it. It might be full size, unless the one I have is not full size, but they seem about the same size. Anyways, I'll think about this one. I honestly don't really wear lipstick at all unless I'm filming a video now, because when I go anywhere, I have to wear a mask. So lipsticks, like, it seems kind of interesting to me that any box would be putting in lipsticks right now. I know it's Christmas and maybe people are going to wear lipstick, but I'm not. Are you? Is anybody wearing lipstick right now? If I was not filming this video right now, I would not be wearing lipstick. Let's get a value on that. So 17 bucks. I don't know if that lipstick is worth 17 bucks. I have used the one that I have. It's fine. There's nothing like amazing about it that would make me be like, wow, I want to pay 17 bucks for this, but that's just me personally. Let's see, overall, this box was a little meh. Like, this doesn't make me want to stay subscribed to this box. Like, it makes me want to be like, yeah, maybe I should cancel. But let me know what you guys thought. Leave your thoughts, opinions, all that stuff down below. Let me know, should I keep Birchbox? Should I move on to something else? If you have a subscription box that you have been curious about, let me know. Maybe I'll look into it, give it a try. I'm trying to spice it up and try to get some different boxes in here, so let me know. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.